G'day back again. Thought I might have a play around with this old Ilco. I got this yesterday, or the day before. Yeah, well, yesterday I think. From William Mancel. Came with a key. It's an old Ilco, but it's actually a Slarge key. I'm assuming that's they might have had some interrelational thing back in the day with it between the two companies, but yeah, it doesn't work yet, which is fine. I'm not an expert on these old American stuff. We don't see them down here. You wouldn't see this on someone's gate or anywhere in Australia. Or I've never come across it. They do come up on the old flea bay, but not very often. They're probably pretty common over in the States, I'm assuming. But yeah, like I said, I'm not an expert, so maybe could be a case of fluffing my way through, but as far as I know, there's two centre pins there in the face that go right through to contain the sheath, I think, the body, anyway. I'm going to give it a crack. It's got to be opened anyway, or yeah, I'll take it apart. Like I said, it's all new to me, so it'll either go pear-shaped or be a success. I can see one pin there. The other one's around here somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, about here, I think. Oh, there's one there. Anyway, we'll just give it a nice light tap on this one, see how it goes, and well, if it doesn't work, we'll chip it over, give that a shot. Pin punch from Murloc, thank you, mate. Okay. Okay, success. I might go the thinner one actually. Oh, there we go. I'm not sure if William's had this off, taken apart before. I'm not sure. He'll let me know. Okay, so this, I'm just hitting the side. I can see the best shadow. So this one's this way and that one's that way. Anyway, we'll just knock them out. Okay. This could be a long video, by the way. I've never done these before, so it's a bit of a learning curve. Where they go? There it is. Okay. Apparently, I think oh, there you go. Oh, okay, spring loaded. Oh, it's locked up. Shit. That told me it's got to be picked open. Oh, you son of a bitch. I'm not sure what's in there, but I'm pretty confident that it won't come out. Yeah, anyway, I'm not going to pick it on camera. I'll pick it off. Hang on a sec, otherwise it'll be a bloody half-hour video. I'll be back in a sec. I'll see if I can just maintain that. I'll see if I can pick it open, see what happens. So back in a tick. Oh, back again. Hey, pain in the ass that was. Anyway, another story. Yeah. Okay, she's open now, so I don't know what is supposed to happen here. Oh, okay, I think that looks like some sort of shackle retainer pin or something. I get that shackle off, obviously I can get the body out. I'm not sure. I'm just yeah. Okay, that moved pretty easily, so I don't know what's in there though. Oh, the spring, yeah. So that's the shackle retainer. Oh, it's not a pin actually, it's like an Allen, what do you call them? Woodruff key type thing. Anyway, let's hope that spit the bottom out. Yep. Oh, okay. Yep. They're rusty. That's the internals. I'm not going to get into that. The bottom, I don't. Although I can technically take that out, can't I? Because there's no pin to it. Oh, okay. Of course, there's a little actuator, spring-loaded actuator down there. So. So what we do, we're going to push it up. Okay, yeah, I'll fart around at the minute. I'm worried about the internals here. So what we have here, okay, gee, these are rusted out. I think it's one of those, a case of only getting one shot at this, I think. But anyway, let's see what happens. 7 minutes, so I go 15, that'll do. That should be enough to do the full expo. What I might do, I might actually just keep this key as genuine. Hopefully the spacing's correct on the plug for the Ilco. But just repin it up to that, and yeah. Okay. Oh, we've got movement. That's what I was concerned about. The last thing I do is want to break a bloody screw. It's just an absolute nightmare. Got to get a real fine drill and extractor, and yeah. It's a bloody long screw. Pretty rusty. I would hazard to guess this one's probably been out in the wild at some stage under some heavy, wet conditions, I would say. Oh, this one's tight. Very weary. I don't want to break the bloody thing. Actually, I might refurbish this one, as in put some new screws in there. Actually, before I do that, I might err on the side of caution. I think I might just mark things. Well, you can't see that. Just make a little mark. Always do that when I'm sort of not familiar with anything. Well, I think this one might be stripped actually. Oh yeah. Well, you can't see, can you? Sorry about that. This one's, I think it's stripped. Either the holes, yeah, that's definitely stripped. Or was that the plug? Oh no, probably the plug moving, dickhead. Anyway, sorry, I'm talking to myself. Carried away. I'm expecting the worst, but probably replace these screws, I think. It's all new to me, so we're probably learning together actually. pretty simplistic really, but after you sort of work it out, you start doing it, they're pretty straightforward, I think. Okay, it's not stripped after all. Yeah, they're too far gone. Should be able to resource those. I'm pretty sure they might share the same pitch as a Lockwood. I'll find out anyway. Okay. Yeah, shit, better shim that. Yeah, when in doubt, shim it out. Shit, how much room in there? There we go. You know what? Doesn't matter. It's going to be all totally destructed anyway, repinned and whatever. So we'll go for it. I don't think the standard 485 diameter is going to fit that. I don't think. Oh, God. That's deceiving. Hang on, battery power. So just plug it in the power. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, that's successful. Yeah, that's pretty grimy, isn't it? Yeah, that key was never going to work. 1 and 5 you might have worked by jiggling it, but the other 2, 3 and 4 were never going to work. So okay. Standard. 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 Where'd you go? Yep. Oh shit, that's a tiny one. Well, I was a bit surprised by that one. It's only tiny. Yeah, that's odd. That fourth one should have been a long pin, because that's a shallow pin in number 4, so that wasn't balanced very well. And there's like the last flew out. Hang on, 6. This is master key. Sorry. Yeah, getting ahead of myself. That's fine. That was a master pin. It's actually a master pin on number 4. So there you go. Yeah, I'm going to sort of, what's the time? 13, okay. I'll put you on hold. What I want to do, I will clean that plug up and repin it, and I'll put some new Lockwood acer alloy springs in there, and yeah, and see how we go. So back in a tick. Okay, back in. Yeah, what I'm going to do for now, I've actually, off camera, these are actually genuine Lockwood 570 cam screws. They're a slightly, very, very slightly smaller in diameter, but the pitch is correct. So what I might do, I might use 2 of those for now until I can source that pitch and length. But we'll see how we go. Anyway, I've cleaned up the plug a bit, and yeah, I've just going to repeat it to this key here. What I did find actually there was 2 over here. There was 2 master pins in there. The rest was standard, so that key was definitely never going to work. We'll load up the top. Like I said, I'm going to go with this is going to be a 20-minute video. I might go with some alloy, brand new ones. Okay. So it's going to be an old Ilco with modern technology, if you will. Why aren't you going in there? Back in a sec, there's something stuck in there. Hang on a second. Okay, back again. Yeah, I want to use the standard drivers again. And yeah, go from there. So it's bloody terrible. Come on. Got a funny feeling these springs might be a tad too bloody strong, but anyway, we'll find out. It's all a learning curve. If they are, we'll just take it apart and put the genuine ones back in there. So pretty rough, isn't it? I can know, mate. Piece of bloody curtain dowel. Bit professional, or come on. Okay, well. Okay, so here we go. Spring. That's fine. Nice spring pressure on that. Beautiful. Okay, got to find those marks again now, so we can line her up. Okay. Again, alloy cam screws in an old Ilco from the, I think it's from the 40s. You think, was it the 40s? Maybe not. Looks a bit too fresh, actually, to be honest with you. So, but I don't know, William, he knows more about it, the old stuff, than I do. So if you can let me know the date, the circa sort of manufacture period for this one. And yeah, they seem to do the trick anyway. So of course that's the actual stop. So you can't obviously operate the lock from the left position, so it's always clockwise. So yeah, we'll put this back in. Okay, it goes that way, I believe. Yeah, I've just got to hold that plate back in so I can get the shackle back. Trying to do it in camera, it's a bit awkward. Okay, that's in place now. That's little actuator is actually spring loaded, so and what's it done here? Okay, it's caught up there, fair enough. Yeah, it's taking time. I'm learning as I'm going, so bear with me. It's all learn as we go. Okay. Oh, you bastard. Okay, I think that's in there. It's going to matter to put the pins in there, so I'll keep that contained. You know what I forgot? See what I mean? The bloody shackle retainer, bloody hell. How's that, eh? That'll be fucking interesting. That little bar. Forgot about that. Oh Christ, I gotta retrace my footsteps. Hang on a second. I'm back on a tick, otherwise it'll be a bloody half-hour video. Hang on. Back again. Yeah, it's just alright. It's just a learning curve for me, so bear with me. Yeah, just gotta get that in that correct position, and put that little woodruff key in there, I believe. I think that's where it went. Pretty sure it went that way. I'll find out anyway. Now, what the fuck has gone wrong now? There you go. Yeah, there's obviously a method to this madness, but anyway, I'll be back. Hang on, I'll let you know what I did or didn't do. Okay, thank you. It's a learning curve. Yeah, I didn't have the little actuator fully back to allow the shackle to pop. Just a matter of putting the pins back in now, so, well, theoretically, so. I'll just punch that down slightly with the pin punch, just below the surface. Get the other one. Okay, that's pretty much, although that could go back a bit. Yeah, that one's slightly proud. That's fine. That's fine. Anyway, got a working padlock now, so to that key. So happy days. Like I said, not sure about the sludge on the Ilco, but if it shares the same profile, it's doable. Anyway, that'll do. Sorry about the delay. Just fast forward it, so save the agony. But yeah, now I know what's inside and how they operate and how they go back together. So next time, I should be able to do it in about 1/4 of the time, you would think. Anyway, till next time. Take care, and yeah. Watch out. Look out. Get out of here. He's after the bloody limelight. Bloody cat. Anyway, till next time, take care, and goodbye.